In this video, you will see single fiber fusion splicing and ribbon fusion splicing on the AFL 70S and 70R splicing machines. Here are the items to perform a single fusion splice: AFL 70S splicing machine, CT30 cleaver, fiber stripper, cleaning solution and wipes, and FIS splice sleeves. When first turning your fusion splicer on to begin a splicing session, you must remember to perform an arc calibration. The arc calibration will account for altitude, humidity, temperature, and barometric pressure depending upon your location, and will set the machine to the correct power for arcing. Set the machine to the arc calibration through the menus as shown. You must use single mode fiber for arc calibration, even if you are splicing multi-mode fiber. Strip, clean, and cleave your fiber. And load into the machine. The first arc calibration failed and must be reset. Repeat the process for fiber preparation. Once you have an acceptable calibration, you can begin splicing. After the arc calibration is accepted, set the fusion splicer to the correct splice mode for the fiber type you are splicing. The AFL 70S and 70R machines has several built-in splice recipes for many fiber types. In this video, the machine is set to the auto single mode multi-mode setting, and we will be splicing single mode fiber. Next, set the fusion splicer's heater to the correct heater mode for the type of heat shrink you are using. The AFL 70S and 70R machines have different heater settings for the different size shrink tubes. In this video, we will set the machine to the 60mm sleeve for the size we are using. First, take the splice sleeve and slide over one of the ends of fiber you are splicing to. Prepare both ends of the fiber by stripping, cleaning, cleaving, and placing into the machine. Once the second fiber is loaded, the machine doors will close, and the splicing action will begin. Once the splice is complete, the machine will perform a pull test to ensure splice integrity. Lift the fiber from the machine by keeping slight tension on the splice as you are lifting. Slide the splice sleeve over the splice and place inside the machine's oven. The heating cycle will take about 30 to 40 seconds, depending on the size sleeve you are using. Remove the splice and allow for it to cool before handling. You have now completed a single fiber fusion splice. Here are the separate items to perform a ribbon fusion splice: 70R fusion splicer, hot jacket stripper and 12 fiber ribbon holders, ribbon splice sleeves. Begin by sliding the ribbon fusion splice sleeve on one end of the ribbon fiber you are splicing together. Take the 12 fiber ribbon holder and place the ribbon fiber in the holder with about 1.5 inches extending past as shown. Take the hot jacket stripper and place the ribbon holder as shown, and once the light turns green, the unit is hot enough for stripping. Close the unit, pull back on the slide, and the ribbon matrix will be stripped off. Remove the excess ribbon matrix from the hot jacket stripper. Clean the fibers with cleaning wipe and solution, and set the fiber holder into the cleaver and cleave the fibers. Place the holder into the splicer and repeat the process for the second 12 fiber ribbon. When the second fiber is loaded in the machine, the doors will automatically shut and the splicing action will begin. When the splice is complete, lift the ribbon fiber from the machine by keeping slight tension on the splice as you are lifting. Slide the splice sleeve over the splice and place inside the machine's oven. The heating cycle will take about 30 to 40 seconds depending on the size of the sleeve you are using. Remove the splice and allow for it to cool before handling. You have now completed a ribbon fiber fusion splice. By utilizing FIS's full inventory of splicing equipment and supplies, it has never been easier to start and finish your splicing job on time and under budget. Don't forget to ask FIS about AFL machine rentals too. For more information or tech support on your splicing equipment and maintenance for the machine and cleaver, please visit www.fissales.com or call 1-800-5000-FIS and ask to speak to a sales rep in your region.